Hey, it's David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I've got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. You ready? Let's go. Today's tip is going to be a quote that I have pulled from this book right here. Be obsessed or be average. It is from the chapter titled, Be Obsessed with Sales. Here's your quote for the day. Are you ready? Your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Quote, if you are not obsessed with closing the deal, you won't. One more time, just to make sure we bring it home. If you are not obsessed with closing the deal, then you won't. Period. Unquote. Okay. Are you obsessed with closing deals? Yes or no? It's a simple question. It is a yes or no question. Are you obsessed with closing deals? Yes. Awesome. Add wood to that fire. No. Why not? What do you got on closing that you need to unwind? That you, as Yoda says, you got to unlearn what you have learned and replace it with the right thing. Get obsessed with closing. Come on. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, check out cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great, because nothing else pays.